Now let us consider this question, that if alpha and beta are root of the equation 2x squared plus 5x plus k equals 0, where k is a constant, and alpha take away 2 beta equals 3. Now find the value of beta and k. Now let us recall that x squared minus into bracket alpha plus beta x plus alpha beta is a quadratic equation where alpha and beta are the root. So here is the sum and here is the product of the root. Okay, now with our x squared having a coefficient of 1, so you can see that here you have 2x squared plus 5x plus k equals 0. Now making x squared a coefficient of 1, it means you are dividing all by 2. Okay, including this, but as long as, so here you have x squared then plus 5x all over 2 then plus k all over 2 equals 0. Okay, now to this point, now here you can liken, you can take, you can see they have the same term. Let us equate x and alpha beta for k. So to this end, negative alpha plus beta then equals 5 all over 2. Okay, because here we have the x, here we have the x. So and then here you have that alpha plus beta equals negative 5 all over 2, equation 1. Okay, now here we also have that alpha beta here is likened to what? K all over 2. So here we have that alpha beta equals to k all over 2, which can also be multiplying both sides by 2. So k, or however 2 alpha beta equals k. This is equation 2. Okay, all right, now from the question we are given that alpha minus 2 beta equals 3. Now let us make alpha the solid of formula here. So here you have the alpha equals 3 then plus 2 beta, because if we take negative 2 beta over to the right hand side, it becomes positive. Okay, now let us assume that this is equation 3. Now let us plug in equation 3 into equation 2. Now put 3 into 1. Okay, so by doing that, here we have 3 plus 2 beta then plus beta equals to negative 5 all over 2. All right, so to that end, here we have 3, okay, then plus 3 beta then equals negative 5 all over 2. Now let us take 3 over to the right hand side. We have 3 beta then equals to negative 5 over 2 minus 3. Okay, now take note that this is something as all over 1. All right, so let us multiply, or let us just find the LCM, and the LCM here is what? 6. Now 6 divided by 2 is 3. Here we have negative 15, then 1 here 2, then 1 in 6, that is 6 times 3, you have what? 18. So you have negative 18. So here we have 3 beta then equals, now this should give us 33, negative 33 all over 60, all over 6. Now dividing both sides by 3, here will now be 1 all over 3, yeah, by dividing. So here you have 3 here 1, 3 here will give us 11. So here we have 11, negative 11 all over 6. So our beta here equals to negative 11 all over 6. All right, now if beta is negative 11 all over 6, so we are looking for our k, and our k here, now in include alpha, it implies that we have to look for alpha. Now from equation 1 here, let us plug in the value of beta for us to get the alpha. So here we have that alpha now plus negative 11 all over 6 equals to negative 5 all over 2. Okay, all right. Now so here you have that alpha negative 11 all over 6, because plus times minus will give us minus. So then at this point, now taking negative 11 over 6 to the right hand side, it becomes positive. So here you have that alpha then equals to negative 5 all over 2 now plus 11 all over 6. Now since we have here 6, now let us also make the denominator here 6, and by so doing we multiply the numerator and the denominator here by 3, and which implies multiplying this by 3 and multiplying this by 3, we have negative 15 all over 6 then plus 11 all over 6, and this should give us a negative 4 all over 6 as our alpha. Okay, now let us come over here, so that k 2 alpha beta equals k, because in the next question so we should find the value of k. So here we have that 2 times alpha here is negative 4 all over 6 times beta, which is what, negative 11 all over 6, equals to what, k. Now to this point here, 2 here is 2, 2 here is 3, 2 here 1, 2 here 3. So at this point here we have 2 times negative 1 times negative 11. Now will give us 22 then all over 9 equals what, k, which implies also that k equals what, 22 all over 9. Final answer. Alright, if you love what I've done, can you subscribe to my YouTube channel and ensure you click on the notification button to be notified of all my videos. Thank you and God bless you.